Real-Time PCR. qPCR stands for Quantitative PCR, also called Real-Time PCR. It is an advanced form of PCR that amplifies DNA and measures its quantity at the same time. This is different from normal PCR, where analysis is done after the reaction using gel electrophoresis. It uses fluorescent dyes to track the amount of DNA during each PCR cycle. The amount of light emitted tells us how much DNA is present in real time. Advantages over conventional PCR: faster and more accurate, detects DNA in the exponential phase, reduces contamination. How is DNA quantified? Fluorescent dyes or fluorescently labeled oligonucleotides are used. These light up when bound to DNA, and the amount of light shows how much DNA is present. Applications of real-time PCR: genotyping, pathogen quantification, microRNA analysis, microbial load testing, GMO detection.
TaqMan probe in real-time PCR. It is a special probe used in real-time PCR that has a reporter dye and a quencher dye at the 5' and 3' end, respectively. How it works. The probe binds to a specific DNA sequence between the primers. Under normal conditions, the probe is coiled, and the quencher blocks the fluorescence of the reporter dye. During DNA synthesis, Taq polymerase breaks the probe, separating the reporter from the quencher. This generates a fluorescent signal. Cycle-by-cycle detection. In each PCR cycle, more probes are cleaved. This increases the number of fluorescent signals, which is directly related to the DNA amount. In the following diagram, the mechanism of TaqMan probe and SYBR Green is shown. SYBR Green in real-time PCR. SYBR Green is a fluorescent dye. It binds non-specifically to the minor groove of any double-stranded DNA. It emits bright fluorescence when bound to DNA. Comparison with other dyes. Other dyes like ethidium bromide and acridine orange can also be used. But SYBR Green is preferred for its strong signal and high sensitivity. SYBR Green is more preferred than the TaqMan probe, as it can provide information about each cycle of amplification, as well as about the melting temperature, which is not obtained from the TaqMan probe. However, its disadvantage is the lack of specificity as compared to TaqMan probe.